Hello friends, it's good to be here again. You're welcome to the Voice of the Chart session where we analyze the charts based on technical analysis. My name is Clinton Onos with Market Alarm. As always, Market Alarm is here to help you make sense of your trading and investing. If this is your first time of seeing this channel, can't stress this enough. We value your time spending here. Please, just before you sign off, use the subscribe button down below to subscribe to this channel, and of course turn on the notification bell to be the first to get all important information. Today is really gonna be exciting, okay, because this is the first edition of the Voice of the Chart, right? And we might likely start streaming live so that we can take questions, because this Voice of the Chart is an interaction session where you can tell us the chart you want us to analyze. Me specifically, I have some technical experience that will be of use and helpful to you. So friends, let me not bore you with too much details. Let's head on to this chart. Of course, I'll be using a voodoo choice selection for this particular session, right? Because the request is not coming yet, so I have to resort to voodoo selection. And today we might likely look at BTC chart, Ethereum chart, what else, Doge, Shiba Inu trending. Of course, it's currently trending, so we might likely look at Shiba Inu chart. Of course, what else? Maybe Litecoin. All right, let's head straight to the chart, shall we? Yes, we shall. This Bitcoin USD chart, is the color okay? Can everyone see this clearly? Let me change the color theme. Light color, right? Of course, please use the comment below if you would like to know how to use TradingView to do your analysis, if any. Okay, and let me pull out BTC USDT, right? USDT to have a plain chart. Of course, this is a plain chart, a daily chart of USD. We can use any time frame, right, to make our technical analysis. Okay, I'll start by letting you know that Bitcoin has broken the downward trend. That's a mini downtrend that has been known for some time now. Has successfully broken it, right? And is going to test the 52. What's this? Yeah, 52936 high of please bear with me, high of 6 September, right? 6 September. Okay, and in my opinion, things are looking pretty good, right? Really good. So if I am to draw a trend line, I will assume, of course, there's a major trend line that the price action is currently following, right? And this is the major trend line in this particular time frame for our chart, right? And of course, this downward trend that I formed using a reverse, this is of course a reverse of trend line. Please, I would like you to see my video market structure to have an understanding of when the market is trending down and up, right? So yeah, at the moment, I see Bitcoin testing this level and of course breaking this level, right? If I draw a Fibonacci here, this of course, as you can see clearly, the price tested a 0.5 Of course, this is a very significant level, it's a psychological level, or Fibonacci level, the 50% level, the 618 level. They are really psychological level that human interact with a lot of the time. So as you can see, the price starts the retracement here, right, at this level. And of course, if I'm to use the Fibonacci to target, I'll be targeting, friends, 1.6, friends, 1.68, my friends. Okay, of course, this is the target of this current up move. And of course, there are factors that I've added to these bias, and of course, one of them is, which you can I don't know if I have to clear the details here again. Do I need to, or probably I change color to align this? Okay, let me just change the color here. We can spot a divergence here, though not very noticeable, but there's a divergence here. And of course, some accumulation took place here. Of course, divergence is when the chart is doing something else and the price action is doing something else, right? Can simply say this was a low, right? And of course, these lows are more or less like price manipulation. As time goes on, you understand better. All right, it's more or less like price manipulation. Of course, I can still use wisdom to look at it. Okay, there's no divergence there. Of course, within this move, if you go to a lower time frame, like an hour chart also, this might be very obvious, right? Might be very, very obvious. As you can see, there is a momentum here. Here is what I'm trying to tell you here, guys. There's a momentum here, right? We need to run through this. There's a momentum here, and as you can see, the momentum here is huge. Of course, as the price keep going down, the momentum keeps dropping. Okay, that's letting you know that the momentum has changed. Is bearish to a bullish, but has not been officially, you know, known here. Of course, the it became official when it broke this MACD line to turn bullish, right? That is just by the way, my friends. And what else is here? That's really it. So my opinion, or do I need to show you anything else? My opinion, this is good. This is good. This is good, and I can also use a look at what's there, Elliott wave. Of course, I can pull all sorts of indicators, but I like analyzing charts plainly. Okay, that's why this session is tagged voice of the chart. Let the chart speak for us. Okay, let the price action talk to us. We want to listen, and that's what I've listened, and I've done what I've analyzed to you. So today's session, let's look at Ethereum. Just a reminder, if you want us to look at any particular chart, please use the comment below to let us know. And of course, very soon we'll go live with this particular session. This voice of the chart is going to be going live, where you can interact with me directly, or letting me know on the chat box the chart you want me to look at, and of course share my thought and idea with you. Ethereum, what do we have here? Ethereum, let's go to the higher time frame. That's top down analysis, analyzing from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, right? Of course, what can I see here? Similar pattern in Bitcoin is here. Of course, there's already a break of this what I would call a major downtrend, right? Major downtrend, and of course there is is here a wedge, the falling wedge that got broken here, right? Okay, then of course we have an upward trending, and of course if you go if you look at this in a mini view, right, you see that there's a mini downtrend, that what I would call a mini downtrend that is already broken, right? Broke out here, right? And of course, if I am to quickly run our Fibonacci from this point to this point to make a projection, of course, just like the Bitcoin chart, found out there was a retracement around 50 to 0.68 level. My friends, don't ignore these numbers. These numbers, they are magical. It works better in other financial markets like the Forex market, stock market, but in cryptocurrencies, a dip can really go deep, right? If you know what I mean, can really go up to like 0.80%. That's about 80% retracement. But of course, it's not bad as long as within a short time frame you're gonna. So if I'm to go in a very radical price pattern prediction, I would say Ethereum in the next couple of days so should hit around 7,800 price target. So everything looks good. And if you look at I told you about divergence, right? I've told you about divergence earlier. You can easily spot the divergence, as you can see, as the wedge is falling. All right, you see, right, let me say, as the price is trending down, right, in a simple term, you find out that there was a momentum here. Of course, there was a momentum here, but how come the price went down to this level and the momentum dropped? What happened? That's to tell you that smart money, they are coming. Smart money are coming in full force, my friends. And of course, they came in full force and they push up the price. Woo! That's huge. And of course, things are pretty looking good. If you can see, this downward movement is already invalidated, right? As you can see, there's a crossover of MACD already. I don't know if you can see this clearly, friends. You can see the crossover already happen. It's happening already. Okay, so these are looking pretty good. I'm confident. And of course, there are factors that will invalidate this analysis so far. And that's why this is going to be a live session almost daily. So we can interact and of course look at the chart on a live view. So it's really nothing to be afraid of. All right, whatever the chart is doing, this is the voice of the chart session. We will look at it, we will analyze it, we will reanalyze it. So have no fear, my friends. Be confident that my knowledge is sufficient enough as far as technical analysis is concerned to take us through. All right, what else are we looking at, my friends? What did I? Shiba Inu, my friends. Shiba is trending currently. Please, if you like the work we are doing, I will encourage you to please subscribe to this channel. Of course, I need you to be on this channel so we can go live every day, my friends. I will be right here with you. And here is a pump of Shiba Inu. Can Shiba Inu test the previous high? There's really not much data for Shiba Inu for us to do some analysis, but here is the previous Shiba Inu high. All right, if you want to take out the manipulation, that's the point of this is what we call the supply zone, right? That's the point of reaction. The price quickly reacted from this point downward, right? Of course, reacted up. This is kind of when the probably I can't explain much about this, but I know it's a price discovery, right? The price discovery, that's what is happening here when it got announced, got listed or something, you know, and that's pop-up panel. You know, though the price is currently trying to go up, but if I can go down an hour chart, right? What can I see here? There's really not much to see. I like details. There's not much details here. So guys, let's look at, if I'm to project, what can I project here? What can I project here? Of course you can do something, Mr. Clinton. Oh, okay. I can project here. There's basically no details to make projection, but let's hope Shiba Inu goes back to its previous high. Of course, we encourage you to, if you hold any Shiba Inu, of course I do. I sold off some already. Okay, so I don't know if it's a good idea, but I feel that a way is that I don't know if you read the news, a single way, so to say, that's some persons, some animals or whatever, bought a large amount of Shiba Inu, right? Over, I think over 5 billion, right? 5 billion worth of Shiba Inu, right? Not 5 billion, I think 5 billion Shiba Inu. What total amount in dollar? I didn't pay attention because I'm not really concerned about this kind of coins anyway. Oh, but you see, it's going, and I had some. I've sold half of my SHIB, and of course if it goes up again, I'm still gonna say I'm not a Shiba Inu fan, but Shiba Inu is here to stay. Dogecoin is here. I'm a fan of Dogecoin, no, but my mentor Elon Musk is a fan too, so we are good to go. What else did I say we're gonna look at? Doge, right? Doge, where are you? Doge, come on, pop up, man. Doge, what do we have? I think we have enough information. Okay, there's really no much to say here. This is developing. Doge is coming up, right? Of course, you can clearly see that this is the first leg up after the downtrend, right? Right, and of course this is the first leg. You find out that there was a clear divergence here, and this divergence is here, right? Okay, the price is making this is what we call internal divergence. The price is making higher low, and the market is making higher low, and the price action is making a lower low, right? And of course this is the first leg. So if I am to use a fib to try to project from the first leg, this can be in Elliott wave, this can be 1, right? This can be 2, right? Of course we'll say okay, 3 should be somewhere around this level, right? We can also safely say, of course, that is the previous high, so we have a confluence here. There's a confluence, right? Confluence, of course, there's a confluence here. Okay, so we can safely say Doge should go back to 0.1 anytime soon, right? Of course, with speed, you know, Doge can really run when he wants to. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Of course, like I told you earlier, that in a cryptocurrency market, you can expect a dip to go very deep, right? In this case, we had a 78.6, that's about 78% dipped before it's going up at the moment. Of course, there are confirmation that is already on its way up, as you can see clearly here. If I drop down to a lower time frame, right? Of course, let me reset the chart so we can have a better view. Okay, I dropped to a lower time frame, and where's my trend line here? I draw a trend line. Simple, very simple technical analysis. No much. Don't stress yourself, friends. Just know basic things and stick to what you know, right? Okay, don't go using big terminology to distract your brain from focusing on what the price is doing. So as you can see, the break is not significant enough, but it's already confirmed with this crossover of MACD, and of course there is no divergence on this move yet, so you should be very confident. Of course, it's not a financial advice, friends. I'm just telling you based on what I'm sharing my bias with you, absolutely free. And this is not a go buy signal. I don't do go buy signal. I don't expect me to do go buy signal anytime soon. I don't do signal stuff. I just analyze and, you know, let you know my bias and opinion. All right, friends, that's just by the way. And lastly, I'll look at Litecoin, right? Take a look at Litecoin. What's Litecoin doing, right? So, friends, please, like I said earlier, I will need you to help us, okay, in this particular session, right? We'll be going live soon enough, as soon as we have a significant numbers of subscribers, so you will have a chance to, you know, chat with me, right? Talk to Mr. Whatever, and of course, let me know your needs. Let me know the chat you want me to help you analyze. I'm all yours, my friends. I'm all yours. I'm fully dedicated to helping you with this channel, okay? All right, let me not bore you with too many preach, sermon, and whatever. What we are in here is for business. What can I see here? So the charts are similar, my friends. There's nothing that is different from the overall market. Like the market is developing, unlike stocks and forex that you have different manipulation and all that. So this market is developing. So as you can see, you see numbers of waves here manipulating price from 17 to up here. It brought it down back to test level, push it up, the back. Okay, let's assume it's just one of those stuff. So the divergence I told you about, of course, I spotted it earlier enough. All right, very early enough, since July. Of course, I'm pretty confident it's going to work out, my friends. Okay, I've had over like active more than 4 years experience studying technical charts, and of course more up to like 7 years now in the financial market industry in general, if not more than. Okay, all right, so this is divergence. You can clearly see the price is making lower low, and of course the MACD is making higher low, right? Of course the price is telling you another thing, the MACD is telling you another thing, so you should expect a break. And of course, if I am to run a feed from the first leg, and I assume that based on Elliott wave, I will quickly assume Elliott wave, where are you? Okay, I'll just assume that this is 1, right? This is 2, this, okay, sorry, this is 1, of course this is 2. Of course, if I'm to project theory based on estimation, I'll project, you know, wave theory in Elliott wave. If you know Elliott wave rules, cannot be the shortest of wave 1 and wave 5. Okay, it can either equate wave 1 and wave 5, but never the shortest. So don't expect wave 3 to be the shortest. So if this projection is not obtainable for you, you can also do a measured move. Oh, sorry, I'm not done with Elliott wave crap. Okay, and of course we'll take this here. Of course, there might be a retracement of level 4. Of course, wave 4 might likely retrace around this level, of course, for the push up to around 500 or something or thereabout for wave 5 of this particular wave, right? And what was I saying? A measured move, right? Of course, can also take a measured move. Measure move is simply let me take out Elliott wave. Let me take out FIB. Measured move is just drawing a line measuring the the length of the first leg, and of course using it to project, assuming that wave 3 should equate with, so the target should be around 3. Let me find out what the target, if I'm to use a measured move, right, target should be around 309, but I think the fair amount is going to be, that's the second target is around 500, 400 or thereabout. Of course, if you want to use confluence, right, the previous high, you might likely say, okay, let's say 420 to make it a previous high, right? But it's going to break the previous high, but I'm confident it's going to break the previous high anyway. All right, friends, that is it for today, right? Like I said earlier, please use the comment below, drop a comment, let me know what you think, let me know what you want. Okay, I'm very much available for you to assist you. Let's discuss together. All right, so in the coming days, this particular session, Voice of the Chart, will be going live stream, so you'll be live with me. All right, we can discuss, tell me the chart you want me to, what you want me to help you analyze and all that. If you like the work we do here, the only way you can help us at this moment is what? Subscribing to this channel, sharing with your friends, and of course give this video a thumbs up, right? Smash the like button, I mean. All right, friends, see you tomorrow on Voice of the Chart. I hope you enjoyed this session. See you again. Bye.